Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by equalizing thickness. That ensures fast, even cooking and maximum crust formation. Salt the meat now. It draws moisture to the surface, then reabsorbs seasoning. Once it rests 20-30 minutes, blot thoroughly so the surface is dry. Make shallow scores or pound to about 1/2 inch so the heat meets the center quickly. While you do that, mix your coating. Cornstarch for crisp, grated Parmesan for flavor, plus 1/2 tsp, each salt. You want a dry, even coating. Press the cornstarch Parmesan mix onto the meat so it adheres. Once done, heat a heavy skillet. Cast iron works best until oil shimmers and reaches roughly 375 degrees. Place the breast coated side down. You should hear an immediate sizzle. Cook undisturbed for 3-4 minutes to form a golden crust, then flip and lower heat slightly. Make sure to avoid overcrowding the pan, because steam will wreck crispness. Cook in batches if needed. You finish by checking internal temp. Aim for 155-160 degrees, then rest to reach 165 degrees while juices redistribute. If the outside looks pale, return to medium-high heat and sear briefly. If the center is under, use a 350 degrees oven for gentle finishing so the crust does not burn. Once rested 5 minutes, slice against the grain. Troubleshooting: if the crust goes soggy, pat dry and re-sear 1-2 minutes per side. This revives crispness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.